Reprogramming the McLaren engine control unit. First, select engine control unit, followed by identification. The ECU identification is successful. The system retrieves the date of the last reprogramming and displays the current ECU software version. Now we can start the ECU reprogramming process. Reprogramming a car's engine control unit with the latest software is crucial for several reasons: improved performance and efficiency. Updates optimize engine performance, fuel economy, and overall drivability. Bug fixes and software corrections. Reprogramming resolves ECU bugs, preventing issues like engine misfires and rough idling. Enhanced diagnostics. New software versions improve the ECU's ability to detect and diagnose engine or transmission problems. Emission compliance. Software updates ensure the vehicle meets the latest emission standards, avoiding fines and reducing environmental impact. Compatibility with new components. Reprogramming ensures the ECU works with upgraded or replaced parts, preventing performance issues. Enhanced safety features. Software updates improve the operation of safety systems such as traction control and ABS, enhancing vehicle safety. Repairing a damaged ECU. Reprogramming can fix a malfunctioning ECU, restoring its proper function. Regular ECU reprogramming ensures your vehicle runs efficiently, remains compliant, and operates safely with the latest fixes and improvements. Reprogramming in progress. This takes about 10 minutes. The system selects the latest software version automatically, but you can choose an alternative version from a list. Previous software version of the ECU displayed. Reprogramming complete. New software version successfully installed. Fast, easy, and reliable.